Hi, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss our second class on national income. Today's part is very important because today's class is totally based on numerical. To solve the numerical questions for 6 marks, we have to go through the today's class. So our today's topic is terms used in the national income. Okay, let's start. Here mainly 6 terms are there. First one is GDP, GNP, NNP, NDP, FC, market price. GDP you had already learned in the earlier classes. Gross domestic product, GNP gross national product, NDP net domestic product, NNP net national product, FC factor cost, MP market price. These are the terms. Generally it is written like that: GDP market price in the suffix, NDP factor cost, like that. So market price, factor cost, it come in the suffix point. Now the relation between the terms, all the terms are interrelated, like GDP and GNP are interrelated, NDP and NP are interrelated. These all are interrelated. So today we are going to discuss about the relation between the terms. First of all, start from GDP and GNP. GDP and GNP. What's the difference here? Only the difference is D and N. Here D means domestic or N means national. Domestic and national. So we have to find relation between domestic and national. Okay. Now what's the relation? Domestic we had learned last day. 4-sector model, 2-sector model, 3-sector model. Domestic is within the country, 3-sector model. National is open economy, 4-sector model. So domestic and national relation is domestic plus NFIA is equal to national. Okay, NFIA means NFIA is net factor income from abroad. It is nothing but the difference between factor income from abroad means foreign countries and minus factor income to abroad from minus 2. We had learnt it in the 4-sector model. In the 4-sector model, in the left side there was household sector, or in the top what was there? Top there was rest of the world. How these two are related? On the basis of factor income. Factor income, this is factor income to abroad and this is factor income from abroad. Means what? Our Indians also working in other countries and foreigner also working in India. In between, how much we are earning? Suppose this is the income of the Indians, foreign income from abroad. From other countries, how much we are earning? Means suppose Indian people are working in the other countries, how much they are earning? Suppose Indian people earning 100 rupees from foreign countries and lot of foreigners are working in India, they are earning from India. Suppose foreigner people, we are paying 90 rupees. We are earning 100 rupees from foreign countries and foreigners are earning 90 rupees from India. So ultimately how much India get? We get 100 rupees but we pay 90 rupees. So means what? Our net factor income from abroad, how much? 100 minus 90, that is 10 rupees. That is NFIA, net factor income from abroad. How much we are getting from the other countries after paying the payment earned by the foreigners. So this is NFIA. So our first relation we got domestic plus NFI national. If we add the factor income from abroad, net factor income from abroad, then we will get national term. So our first relation is domestic plus NFI is equal to national. Okay, so we can write like that way also. national minus NFIA is equal to domestic. Reverse form also be possible. Anyone, domestic plus NFI national or national minus NFI is equal to domestic. So we got our first relation between domestic and national. Now second relation. See here between these two terms. Here is gross domestic product, here is net domestic product. First and third one. Gross domestic product, net domestic product. These are the two relations. So here is the difference is what? Only gross and net. Domestic product same. So our next topic is gross and net. We have to find the relation between gross and net. What is the gross and net? Gross means total. Net means after deducting all the expenditure or other requirements, we will get net. Here it is gross minus depreciation is equal to net. Okay, this net is second N is national, but first N is net, not national. Don't mix up it. So gross minus depreciation is equal to net. Depreciation means normal wear and tear of fixed capital. This is depreciation. Fixed capital means suppose one asset is there, one machine is there. So if we continue the machine, if we use the machine continuously, so what happens after a certain period of time, there will be some problem in the machine. We have to make repairment of the machine, or we may have to replace some parts of the machine. So this is normal wear and tear of fixed capital. So from the gross, if we minus depreciation, we will get net. So gross minus depreciation is equal to net. Depreciation is common wear and tear of the fixed capital. Fixed capital means fixed asset. So we got our next relation. Gross minus depreciation is equal to net. This is our second relation. Now third one. Third one is what? Factor cost and market price. These two are the third relation. Factor cost and market price. Factor cost and market price, this was also in the fourth sector model. Factor cost means total production cost of the good. Market price means at what price it is sold in the market. This is production cost, this is the selling cost. Okay, in between what is the relation? Relation is factor cost plus net indirect tax is equal to market price. This is net indirect tax. Net indirect tax. Net indirect tax means indirect tax minus subsidy. This is net indirect tax. Indirect tax minus subsidy means you got it in the fourth sector model. In the right side there was producing sector. Remember the fourth sector model. In the bottom there was government sector. Okay. Now how the producer related with the government? Producer used to pay tax to the government and they receive subsidy from the government. These are the relation between them. They used to pay tax, government used to pay them subsidy on requirement. Now suppose a producer used to pay tax of 10 rupees and he received 6 rupees subsidy from the government. So ultimately how much he is paying a tax? He is paying, this is net indirect tax. Indirect tax minus subsidy. He is paying tax of 10 rupees and receiving subsidy of 10 rupees. So how much he is paying actually? 4 rupees as tax. So this 4 rupees is the net indirect tax. So along with the factor cost, production cost, if we add the tax, we will get market price. So factor cost plus NIT is equal to market price. Okay, simple example, when you purchase any commodity, you see in the packet price is written. Suppose price is written rupees 10. In bracket it is written inclusive all taxes. Inclusive all taxes means nothing but net indirect tax. Production cost is something, after that the producer use the tax and then after he sell it at 10 rupees. So this is the production cost. So how it is? Suppose production cost is 100 rupees, factor cost. He add 5 rupees tax and he sell it at market 105 rupees. This is factor cost along with indirect tax. This is market price. So along with the production cost, if we add the tax, we will get the market price. Okay. So factor cost, market price. Relation is factor cost plus net indirect tax is the market price. This is our third relation. Okay. So we got three relation: factor cost plus NIT market price, gross minus depreciation net, domestic plus NFI is equal to national. Okay, these are the very important thing of the chapter. Those who can remember the relation properly, there is not at all any problem for the numerical examples, for the numerical questions. You can easily solve all the question. Otherwise, it is very tough to remember. Lot of formulas are there, but if you can remember this, you can easily convert from one term to another, and you can easily solve the method. Otherwise, it is quite tough. Now, how to solve the relations? Suppose GDP market price we have. NNP factor cost is there. We have to convert NNP factor cost to GDP market price. NNP factor cost, we know, we have to find GDP market price. How to convert? See, first N is what? First N is net, then national, then product. We have to convert net to gross. Net to gross we have to convert. Okay. Net to gross means how to convert? See here. Net to gross. Gross minus depreciation is net. So what happened? Net plus depreciation will be what? Gross. Clear? Gross minus depreciation net. So net plus depreciation is gross. So we have net here. Net plus depreciation, we got gross. Thereafter national. This is national. From national we have to convert it to domestic. National to domestic. This one. Domestic plus NFI is national. So national will be what? National minus NFIA is equal to domestic. Okay. So national we have minus NFI is domestic. Then finally factor cost to market price. Factor cost to market price, this one. Factor cost, if we add NIT with the factor cost, we can easily get market price. So plus NIT, finish. Now we can convert NNP factor cost to GDP market price. Net plus depreciation we got gross. National minus NFI we have domestic. Factor cost plus NIT we have market price. Okay, let us see another example. Suppose NDP factor cost we have to find from GDP market price. GDP market price to NDP factor cost we have to convert. First one is what? Gross to net. Gross to net how? Here. Gross minus depreciation is net. So gross minus depreciation net, finish. Second one is what? Domestic to domestic, no need to change, everything is given. Here also domestic, here also domestic, so we does not require to change. Market price to factor cost. See here, if we subtract market price minus NIT, what will be there? Factor cost minus NIT factor cost, finish. Domestic does not require to change. Let's see another example. NNP market price from NDP factor cost. Okay, NNP market price to NDP factor cost. Now both are national. Sorry, both are net. Second one is national. Both are net. No need to change. Domestic to national we have to change. Domestic to national. Domestic plus NFI national. NFI national. Factor cost to market price. Factor cost plus NIT market price. Finish. Like that way, we can easily convert from one term to another. Okay, so let us check the three relation: domestic plus NFI national, gross minus depreciation net, factor cost plus NIT market price. These are the three relation. Very important relation for the national income chapter. If you can remember the relation, if you can convert the relation, if you can understand the relation, then national income is very easy for you. Otherwise, so tough. So go through the method how to convert it. Okay, let us see for our next class. That's all for today. Bye. See you next day.